Sewer camera inspection at 7938 West Westcott Drive in Glendale. We've got two main plumbing cleanouts at the front of the house, ABS pipes it looks like. We're going to go down the farthest one from the house first, which should take us underneath the home. Now we do have some water running today in the kitchen sink right now, so we'll see a little bit of water flowing as we get down there. Alright, so we're pointed down the other direction of the pipe right now. We're going to go out to the... No. There we go. Now we're heading under the home. So the inside of the pipes definitely have some sludge built up. You're going to want to get some hydrojet maintenance, clean that pipe out. And that's the kitchen sink drain. Another drain connection there. This is likely over by the laundry room. Split in the line. Another drain connection there. And this is where it goes up to another drain, probably on the second floor, but I don't see any issues with the line going underneath the home. Pull the camera head back and take a look again. Must be some warm water coming out of the kitchen sink. You can see as we break up that sludge on the bottom of the pipe, it just gets washed down. So that's a good indication that you need some cleaning on the pipes. Pretty bad, actually. Now that I'm seeing all that. So the cleaner you keep your pipes, the better the water flows down them, and the less bugs you'll get going back up into the pipes from the city line. So now we're going to go down the other pipe. Hopefully I can get out to the street from there. So these ABS cleanouts are designed in a way that one of them will take you out to the street, the other one will take you underneath the house. They crisscross underground. I got some water ponding up a little bit right there, right before it drops into the city. It's going to be a short run out to the city connection. That's the city connection right there at 21 feet. So I'm going to go turn the water off and then pull the camera back through and see if we can get a better look at that one area. Okay, so I turned off the water in the sink and flushed the toilet just to kind of clean the line out and then dry it out so we can get a better look at what's going on underneath that water. So I'm going to head back slowly. Yeah, there's so much grime built up in this pipe that needs to be cleaned out. It probably hasn't been cleaned out in many years. The good thing about ABS pipes is they usually don't bend or break very often. They don't corrode. Yeah, look, we're getting a better look at that now. There must be a lip right there before it goes down into the city. The water ponds up just a little bit right there, so that's even more of a reason to keep your lines clean and clear. So it's more important to keep that gunk built up in there because it could build up in that one little spot there a little bit easier. So that's your clean out that goes underneath your house on the top of the pipe right there. It goes down and wraps underneath your home, and then the other one does the opposite and goes the other direction. But I don't see anything worth troubling yourself with other than some hydrojet maintenance today. So thanks for using Property Inspections Plus. Home Inspector Dan, give me a call if you have any questions about this or the home inspection.